I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we're doing a clean with me and decorate with me type of video. I'm really excited to do these kinds of videos because if you don't know, we just moved into a new house and I have a ton of decorating to do. So I still have so many more ideas and so many more rooms that I want to do decorate with me's on. So I hope you guys enjoy. While we're here, you should totally subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, so enjoy this video. And I hope to see you in the next one.
I just want us to always be, to always be.
Okay, but for real, why is that baby rocking in the rocking swing? I'm freaking out. So when I first start decorating, I like to get all the pieces or decorations that I have together, and I like to arrange them on the floor how I want them on the wall. So I kind of play with it, arrange them around, look at everything, switch things around about 1,000,000 times, stand there staring at it. Does anyone else do this? And that's kind of my process. I kind of figure it out on the floor before I hang it on the wall. So what I'm doing here is actually just placing command stickies on all of these letters. The command stickies hold like up to 30 pounds or something crazy like that. So I like to hang as many items as I can with the command stickies. So here I'm just attempting to level each letter. I'm the world's worst person at hanging stuff level. Like literally, if you let me hang pictures in our house, they're all crooked. But I was too impatient to wait on Trevor to get home, so I just wanted to do it myself. And did you guys know that levels are like so expensive? They literally, I think, are magic or something because this little bitty one costs like $35. yes, I am totally aware that it took me not 1, not 2, but 3 times to hang this damn picture and get it level. Story of my life. Don't tell my husband. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video and tuning in. I have a home tour video coming very soon for you guys, so comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!